Hi Idol, anong fastest way to build confidence? The fastest way to build confidence is in whatever you are doing, i-practice mo na i-practice. Para pag gumaling ka na, confident ka na, humble na confident ka na sa ginagawa mo. Sa itsura mo naman, alagaan mo sarili mo. Groom yourself to look good. Tapos the best asset, the best accessories, our smile and our skin. And of course, nandiyan yung body natin. So kung fit tayo, maging confident tayo. Humble na confident, wag yung mayabang na arrogant. Okay? So yun lang yung difference. Kasi kung pinagbuti mo yung sarili mo, tapos the way you carry yourself, the way you speak is with conviction, pero humble, okay yun. Pangit yung conviction na mayabang. May fine border, may fine line, so kailangan alamin natin. Malalaman mo naman sa reactions ng mga tao eh. So just be true, be you, be yourself, and be a better version of yourself. Be humble, be nice, and good things will come back. 99% perspiration, 1% inspiration, which is God. Tama kayo, mali